Ever wondered how some YouTubers explode in India, going from zero to hero, while others just fizzle out? What if I told you the secret isn't millions of subscribers, but something far more powerful? It all starts with your niche. Think of it like a master key. It connects a real problem to real people who have real money to spend. This is the golden rule, folks. Hold up, you don't need millions of subscribers to get rich. Check out this mind-blowing myth versus reality. On the left, a channel with 4 million subscribers barely scrapes by with only around $44,000 a year. But look at the right, a channel with less than 10,000 subscribers is pulling in over $1 million annually. That's insane, right? The real takeaway, it's not about the size of your audience, it's about the niche you pick. A small, engaged audience in the right niche beats a massive, disengaged one every time. So, how do you find your golden niche? It's simple. You are the niche. Your experience is your advantage. First, think about what challenges you've personally overcome. Next, what do you naturally consume? What's in your watch history? What are you curious about? Your passions can lead to profit. And finally, what are you good at? What do friends ask you for help with? What feels like play to you, but work to others? This is where your unique value lies. By combining what you've overcome, what you consume, and what you're good at, you unlock your unique advantage. This is how you stand out from the crowd. So, the real formula for YouTube wealth is clear. Your experience, plus a specific focus, plus an audience with money equals wealth. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to define your battlefield. Take a moment, based on your experience, passion, and skills, and jot down 3 to 5 potential niche ideas. Think about helping Indian students crack exams, or a beginner's guide to investing in the Indian stock market. To really hit that YouTube goldmine, you need to combine your experience, your long-term interest, and the money potential. Avoid general entertainment or anything with an under 18 audience, unless you're Mr. Beast. Once you've got your niche, it's time to forge your identity. Create a Google account, name your channel something memorable, verify it for crucial features, design your brand with a clear profile picture and channel art, and optimize your About section with keywords. Your brand is your armor. Make an unforgettable first impression. Your profile picture, channel art, and even a video watermark with a subscribe button are critical for professionalism and trust. You've answered the call. Now it's time to gather your tools, learn the rules of this new world, and face the trials that will make you a master creator. This is the path of trials. First, gear up for battle. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Your smartphone is good enough. But if you want to level up your camera game, consider a Canon PowerShot or even an EOS R5. Great audio is more important than perfect video, seriously. Your Blue Snowball Ice is a great start, but for better quality, look into a Rode into USB or even a Shure SM7B. And for your essentials, a tripod is key for stable, professional-looking shots. No more shaky cam, unless it's for effect, of course. Don't forget lighting. A simple ring light or LED panel can make a huge difference in your video quality. Seriously, good lighting makes you look like a pro. Now, let's talk about the 6 deadly sins of new creators. Avoid unoriginal hooks, busy thumbnails, and a vague audience. Don't be a jack of all trades. Also, ditch lengthy intros, fix your bad audio. Seriously, viewers are less forgiving of bad audio than bad video, and never assume your audience knows everything. Explain concepts clearly. Mastering the algorithm part 1. Your #1 job is to keep people watching. YouTube's goal is to keep users on the platform, and high audience retention is their key measure of a quality video. Focus on engagement signals like comments, subscribes, shares, and don't be afraid of longer videos. Part 2 of mastering the algorithm is the science of discovery. This is your SEO checklist. You need to say your main keyword, optimize your title, description, and tags. For example, for a surfing tutorial, you'd mention surfing tutorial everywhere. Your thumbnail is your billboard. It's the first and only chance you get. A great one grabs attention, sparks curiosity, and communicates value instantly. Use bright, high-contrast colors, expressive faces, and communicate with clarity. You've honed your skills, conquered the trials, and now it's time for the ultimate reward. Claim your throne. Build your creator empire beyond just ads. Unlocking the treasure chest means joining the YouTube Partner Program.
Tier 1 for early access requires just 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads, and either 3,000 watch hours or 3 million shorts views in 90 days. This unlocks fan funding and shopping features. For full monetization, Tier 2, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours in 12 months or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. This unlocks ad revenue and all early access features. Remember, Tier 1 unlocks fan funding, memberships, super chats, and shopping features. These are huge for building a community and earning early. Now, where do good videos become great? It's all in the editing. For beginners, free options like iMovie or CapCut are amazing. For pros, Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro are your go-to. And remember, bad audio will make people click away instantly. Use royalty-free music from services like Artlist to avoid copyright strikes. Don't let bad sound ruin your masterpiece. Pro tip, use Descript to edit video like a text document and automatically remove filler words like and ah. It's a game changer for clean, professional voiceovers. You don't find an audience, you attract it. YouTube is a search engine, so your job is to help the algorithm understand who your video is for. Right keywords plus high retention equals top rankings. This is YouTube SEO. Your SEO checklist, the big 3. Optimize your title with your main keyword and make it at least 5 words long. Include your keyword in the first 25 words of your description and write at least 250 words. And for tags, use your main keyword, variations, and tags from competing videos. vidIQ is your secret weapon. Don't just wait for the algorithm. Kickstart it. Promote your new video on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Answer relevant questions on Q&A sites like Quora with a link to your video. Engage in communities like Facebook groups or Reddit, and embed your video in related blog posts. There are 2 main paths to monetization with the YouTube Partner Program. Path 1 for long-form video requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Path 2 for YouTube Shorts also needs 1,000 subscribers but 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days.
Ads are just the beginning. The real gold mine is building beyond ads. Think channel memberships, sponsorships, affiliate links, creating your own digital products like ebooks, and even coaching or consulting. Your most profitable product is often your own. Embrace the hero's mindset. Action beats perfection. Your first 10 videos will be bad, but make them anyway. Quantity leads to quality. The fastest way to get better is to keep creating. Aim for 1% improvement with each video. As Mr. Beast says, you're crazy until you're successful, then you are a genius. Remember, quantity leads to quality. Just start creating and get 1% better with each video. Action beats perfection every single time. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to Fun Time with Samay.